Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we will talk about logical filters as essential components of user groups in the CommPeak Dialer. You will learn what filter groups define, how to access them, and what is included in filter configuration. In user groups, we decide which leads we call and with which priority. Filters in user groups help to define the priority of leads to be called. Initially, CommPeak's support team configures and adjusts these filters according to your needs, so that when leads go through the filters, a perfect match in agent skills is found for them. Now, we will explain the filter settings and show how you can make adjustments to them. You can find the filters inside each user group. To access user groups, go to Users in the main menu, select Groups Management, find the one you need, and click Edit. On the page that opens, scroll down to the Filter Groups section. You will notice several filters listed, but usually not more than 4. Each filter has a weight option that is used to prioritize the filters and set the order in which they're processed. The first filter will have the highest weight, the second one will have the second highest weight, and so on. The weight option works as the ratio from 1 to 10, and instructs the system how many leads to call from each filter when calculating the number of agents available. By default, the leads that were uploaded with lead files get only 2 filters, one to call new leads, with a weight of 10, and another to call the remaining leads, with a weight of 5. If you import your leads from the CRM, the filters will originally be based on the purchase date, which corresponds to the registration date in the CRM. For example, the first filter targets new leads. The second filter is for leads that aren't new, but registered in the last 3 days. The third filter covers leads registered in the last 15 days. The fourth filter targets leads that are older than 15 days. In this example on the screen, the first filter, New Leads, has the highest weight, so the system will call 3 leads from this filter, per 1 lead from the second one. The Failover filter is for leads with no priority. The system will start calling them once there are no leads in the groups with weight anymore. Note that the numbers can change based on different factors like how many agents are working at the moment and the call ratio. If Off is selected, leads from this filter won't be called. Another option lets you expand a filter category to view more details. Here you can see that leads filtering settings contain several lines. You can combine the lines using the AND or logic. When setting filter groups, always remember that for the dialer to work most efficiently, each lead should be called from only one user group. The first line in each filter group always refers to campaigns, as the dialer calls only leads within campaigns. The system contains many other filter settings, as you can see from the drop-down list. To further customize your lead filtering, you can use the Predefined Object Lists feature. Using object lists, you can add even more filters, for example by countries. We further elaborate on this topic in a guide about tips for managing user groups and filters. To check which group and which group filter will fetch a specific lead, use the Lead Distribution Simulator as shown in the guide by the link. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video guides.